Case titles: People of the Philippines versus Carlos Racadio Asuncion, GR NAS 250-388-98, April 06, 2022. Doctrine: Conspiracy must be established beyond reasonable doubt, and in cases of violation of Republic Act No. 3019, Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, good faith can serve as a defense when the accused public officers acted with an honest belief that they were complying with the law. Restitution of the disallowed funds is an indicator of good faith and may mitigate liability. Facts: Carlos Asuncion, then the Mayor of Sta, Catalina, Ilocos Sur, and several chapter presidents of the Bayanihan and Kababaihan were charged with violations of Section 3E and Section 3J of Republic Act No. 3019, Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, and malversation of public funds. Asuncion authorized financial assistance amounting to 100,000 for each chapter of Bayanihan and Kababaihan, an organization that was neither registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) nor comprised of tobacco farmers, as required by RA 7171. The prosecution alleged that Asuncion and the Bayanihan chapter presidents conspired to grant unwarranted benefits in favor of the organization, which was unqualified to receive financial assistance. The Sandiganbayan convicted all the accused, ruling that Asuncion acted in bad faith and violated the law by granting the benefits to an unqualified group. Issue 1. Whether Asuncion and the Bayanihan chapter presidents were guilty of conspiracy to violate the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act. 2. Whether Asuncion acted in good faith when he authorized the financial assistance to the Bayanihan chapters. Held, the Supreme Court acquitted Asuncion and the chapter presidents for failure of the prosecution to prove guilt beyond reasonable doubt. The court found that Asuncion acted in good faith when he approved the financial assistance, believing that the Bayanihan and Kababaihan chapters, as accredited non-governmental organizations, were entitled to the financial aid. Furthermore, the restitution of the funds by the accused before the filing of the case indicated their lack of corrupt intent. There was no sufficient evidence to prove conspiracy, as the prosecution failed to show a deliberate plan among the accused to commit an illegal act. The prosecution relied solely on presumptions, which were not enough to establish conspiracy beyond reasonable doubt. Disposition. Wherefore, the appeal is granted, and the Sandiganbayan's decision, dated May 17, 2019, is reversed and set aside. Carlos R. Asuncion, Mamelfa R. Amangol, Genoveva R. Ragasa, Rosita Ragunjan, and Virginia R. Rafanan are for failure of the prosecution to prove their guilt beyond reasonable doubt.